Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. STEM Day was a success. Thank you guys in advance. And let's see who we got first in the chat today. We've got, where's it at? Scroll up. Paul Wright first in the chat. Kalani, what's going on, man? Kalani, Paul, AMC Trapper, Hemi Life, Paul, AMC Trapper, PS5, Future Gaming, Outdoor Smile, AMC Trapper, PS5, Paul, AMC Trapper, J Bones, and Outdoor Smile. What's going on, everybody? I had a lot of fun today. I did, man. I had a lot of fun. I have no idea whatsoever how these teachers do it, man. I have no idea how these teachers go in there every single day with the energy on these kids, man. It is wild. I'm telling you guys right now, thank a teacher if you know one. You got some beef with Clay. Worked super hard, took a late lunch today to make it to the noon stream to hang out. No stream. No! Kalani, don't have any beef with me, please, man. No beef. No, Kalani, I did have fun today, man. Guys, market doing okay today. Not a bad day, not really a good day either. I think it's kind of just a slow day today. We've got AMC top left sitting at 13.24 right now, up about 3% on the day. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 11.13 right now, 2.3% higher. GameStop bottom right, 10.5% higher today. GameStop doing very well at $134.22. Bitcoin down in the bottom left, sitting at 1.50% higher. It is at $30,246. The Nasdaq up 2.5% today. Biora Therapeutics down 0.5%. We've got Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the green. Sundial 3.5% in the green right now, bouncing back down off of that 39.3 level. Mullen Auto, however, losing 12.5% today, sitting at $1.23 per share. CEI up 2% of the day. SPY doing very well, up 1.70%. BBIG 1.39% higher. Highcroft Mining back down into the red. It was all the way down to $1.35 about an hour ago, sitting at $1.41 right now. And Netflix having a good day today, sitting at $204.76. Not doing too bad at all for Net. I don't care what we watch. We'll keep Netflix in the bottom left right now. What do we got, guys? We got, scroll down. That's what we got to do. D. Gordon, what's going on, man? PS5. Jason, good afternoon, bros. Good afternoon to you, Jason. AMC Trapper Hodel, brother. That's what we do. That is what we do. Did the kids get to meet the AMC Trapper? Yeah, so I volunteered. It's actually weird, man. I volunteered a couple times down there. So I don't really know any of the kids other than my sister's class because I volunteer maybe like twice a year doing stuff down there, maybe even just once a year. But yeah, dude, yeah, I watch all your videos, Clay bro. I watch all your videos. Well, thank you for watching all my videos. Fist bumping. Yo, Clay bro, I seen you on YouTube today. Oh, did you, man? That is nice. And then I go in there, and the one kid's got a laptop out, and he's like, hey, look, and he's got my YouTube channel up on the laptop, so I'm like, nice. And then it was cool too, man. This kid's like, he was putting some sort of, Lego thing. He had some sort of a Star Wars thing, and then a Baby Yoda Lego thing, and he's putting them together. And I don't know, I don't want to say anything about it, but so he's putting it together, man. Good kid. And then they did this little, I don't know if you guys saw the picture on Twitter, but they had a thing where you could look at all these different crystals and fossils and seashells and things like that, and then, learn a little bit about those. And then part of that station, I don't know where they got them, but they had like these chalk blocks, and then inside the chalk block was some sort of a rock, So they take them outside, man. They're chiseling away. And this little kid, I think he had a couple rocks. The dude gives me his, man. He goes, hey, he puts his hand on my shoulder. He's like, hey, I want you to have this. He says his teacher's name. He's like, you're my teacher's brother. And you're a good guy. So I want you to have this. I'm like, nice, man. So I got a little rock. I love this little rock. I think it is awesome. That is the reward for volunteering was the rock that I got today, man. So I did have a good day today. I hope all you guys enjoyed your morning. it was a little slow with the stock market. I was keeping my eye on it, but I had fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed your morning as well. We got a flip to make up for a hold. Listen, we do have to make some profits at some time, right? I did finally get out of farming yesterday, and I am looking to put that money somewhere. So we got to find out where I'm going to put that money. Cryptocurrency, it's downs again. I'm sad, and I wonder if it's only bleeds and it's a scam of the life and the wills and corporations. Will they pulls the rug on all the people? I hope not. D, man, D. I don't think that it's crypto. I really don't think that crypto is a scam, right? I want to say that. I think that crypto does have a very bright future. I know it might seem like it is a scam, that it only ever goes down and so on. But look, man, the last basically 7 months now, has been a terrible bear market. It has been down for the last 7 months. And it is not an easy market to hold through, but it is not a normal market either. You have to remember that, and that's why I remind myself every single day out loud that what we are holding through is a massive bear market right now. It is not a bull market, and it is not a normal market. D, so you checking out the Lunas? Yes, he probably is. Clearbro, you skipped the morning. Same demand. That I did, man. I was volunteering at my sister's school there. And I did have a great time this morning. It's got to be a lucky rock. It is a lucky rock outdoor smile. Anytime a kid gives you a rock like that, it's a lucky rock. No, they had a lot of fun, though, guys. They had, 6 or 7 different stations. They had a bouncy house where they could play. And then they had the fossil station, like I showed on Twitter. And then they had the anatomy station. They had x-rays and little, skeletons, those little skeletons, things they could play with there. Then they actually had, man, I thought this was wild. They had a sheep brain, like a sheep kidney, a sheep heart, and then a cow eye. So all those little kids got to, touch these brains and things like that. And then I think the older kids actually got to dissect one of them or dissect them. So I know they enjoyed that. Everybody thought that was cool. What else did they do? They had a snow cone station where they got some snow cones. They got to learn how to make ice cream. They did magnetic slime, where you make slime and then put some iron powder in it, and then the slime moves with the magnets and stuff like that. I think they did maybe 1 or 2 more stations, but I know they did a tie-dye station. So they had a lot of fun today. Well, hello, Peep. What's going on, Peep? Glad to have you in here. Scrolling back down. Clearbro, like and sub. Clay to 100K. Let's go. Yes, guys, let's go. 100K. Please click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Share me with your family and friends as well. It's a good idea to do so. It is. Because I wouldn't be surprised if some of those kids, I wouldn't be surprised if that kid that gave me this rock, hey man, if you're watching right now, thank you very much. I'm going to keep this rock on my desk right here. Really appreciate it. And then this is the one I found in my little chalk block. This one right here. I don't know what it is, but it's a cool rock, all right? Lucky rocks for the market. We need all the luck we can get. I don't like the Lunas coins. It goes ways too low. I gets the scared by the ways. Hello, outdoor smile. Okay, thanks. Have a good times in the chat. Okay, thanks. D, you as well, man. Enjoy the chat. Sure does, D. It's all about timing. Yeah, it definitely goes low, but hey, man, it goes high as well. The buck stops here. Hi, Clay. What are your thoughts on Shib? To the moon or to the abyss? Buck stops here, man. I honestly think that Shiba Inu coin is going to have another run. But I think it's going to coincide with the overall market, man. We're really following Bitcoin right now. And Bitcoin, we'll pull it up at the bottom left here. Oh, man, Netflix getting hit a little hard after hours here. Bitcoin, it's really, really, really doing work around this $30,000 level. It doesn't seem to want to break lower. It doesn't seem to want to bounce off right now. So when Bitcoin figures out what it's doing, if it falls through, yes, man, I do think that Shiba Inu coin is also going to fall through and add another 0 and come back down. If Bitcoin bounces off, I would not be surprised at all to see Shiba Inu coin. I mean, look, these are the levels we're looking at here. You know, if we've got Bitcoin going back up to this area in here, 38, 39, 40,000, Dude, I wouldn't be surprised at all to see Shiba Inu coin back up here at 2,500 to 3,000 points per coin. I mean, it is really following Bitcoin, and, you know, therefore, Bitcoin adds, 33% or so. Shiba Inu coin could potentially 3x in price. So it's a much more, I guess, volatile cryptocurrency, but I don't think that it's done. I think if you think Bitcoin's done, then sure, Shiba Inu coin's done as well, but I think it's going to follow the overall crypto market. It's time for a Clay Bro sign on the back, man. Peep the God. I know it is. I got to get some neons, and I should make a Clay Bro sign along with that right there. Get my shelves up. Maybe you guys are giving me... God, I don't even know if I could do anything over the weekend this weekend. It's already seeming like it's going to be a busy weekend. We could do it, though. We could do it. The signs that I currently have right now, compliments of Mr. Simon. And Clay Bro, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. We've got that ape sign right there. And this one is not plugged in, but we've got the king of the chat. Clay Bro is king of the chat with the crown right there. And that one lights up when it's plugged in. So, a Pika power. Thank you very much for that one as well. AMC, guys, what is going on after hours here? AMC getting a little action going on. It was up 0.5% there, jumping to 13.35. I like the green lines like that. Come on now. Let's see. Got walked out of study hall this morning for check-in Weeble. Sam DeMan, how old are you, dude? Are you in high school? Sam DeMan's in high school? It sure does, D. It's all about timing. Yes. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Listen to EA, please. Would you see Luna Classic hit $400 tonight? No. So I don't think that Luna Classic is going to hit $400 tonight. Luna Classic's price is 0.0000... like 9, isn't it? Yeah, it's right there at the 0.0001. No, I don't think that's gonna hit $400. That would be an absurd gain, man. $400 would give you like a quadrillion. Yeah, man, that would give you like a $1.6 quadrillion market cap too. And if you're talking about just Terra Luna, I'm also going to go with a no, but Terra Luna is at $7.03 right now. That's not bad. 4%, 5% gain today. And what do we got in VGX? Where's that sitting? $1.02 right now. $1.02, not bad at all. VGX, guys, I like the rewards on VGX. Illegal freeze. Nick Tico. Clay, you see the freeze? Actually, Nick Tico, no, I did not see a freeze on AMC today. I was volunteering literally all day today. I left a little bit before 3 o'clock and got there bright and early in the morning. So I was, checking, but I didn't have my eye on stocks all day today. So if there were freezes, if there were halts, if there were, something like that, I unfortunately did not see them. I was only able to pull my phone out and check and see what things were doing, see if anything was running. Redbox had a very good day today. Gosh, Redbox makes me wish I would have bought some of it yesterday when I got out of Farmy. Where are we at? Redbox, RDBX. In the R's. Yeah, Redbox was up 18% today. It was actually up a lot more than that earlier. Redbox going up to $7.50. Currently sitting at $6.60. 18% gain on the day. Not a bad gain at all on Redbox here. Redbox has been seeing some massive volatility. Yeah, I don't know, but an 18% gain day, that's not a bad day at all. Let's see. Klibro, enjoy watching the lives all the way from Finland. Shout out to all the bros in the chat. Zico, man, shout out to you as well. Zico, what time is it in Finland right now? Gotta be, what, 10 p.m.? Is it 10 p.m. for you over there? My neighbor got nailed today by Mullen. And man, that little guy's mad. He told me to cry CNN because they're to to try CENN because they're actually delivering cars. But they went much better today. Dude, Mullen did get hit pretty hard today. But Mullen was actually down more after hours yesterday than it was today. Mullen lost 13% today. But after hours yesterday, man, it was down here at $1.12. It was down like 25% yesterday. So your neighbor not doing too bad today compared to what it was yesterday. Still ending about I don't know, 11 cents higher than it tapped down to yesterday after hours. Clear. Oh, what is this? No. There, we missed it. Bro, how was dinner with Dad and Juana? Same demand. I have unfortunately not yet had dinner with Juana. So I will let you know how that goes when that happens. Go Finland, probably cold there, right? Ah, dude, it's got to be summer there right now. It's probably not that cold in Finland. I've been running Voyager for a long time now. I'm pretty sure I told you about the rewards. Yeah, Bronson, you probably did, man, but I'm liking them, man. I do. DXY pushing down slowly but surely. Red day causes by the Fed yesterday, short-lived. Yeah, man. Well, I didn't see the DXY today. I don't know where it's at. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah, man. I think it's gonna reach 100 down here. I think it's gonna reach 100. Anybody else got money on 100 on the DXY? The dollar spot index reaching 100 there? I would say yes. I would say it's gonna bounce back and come down and hit 100 at some point. Mono OS tomorrow. 7 apes. I hope so, man. I hope so. It's always tomorrow, and I hope tomorrow is the right tomorrow. 11 p.m. in Finland. I was off by an hour. You guys have a 7-hour difference, man. You guys must be further east than I thought. But I was thinking it was 10 p.m. there. Clarinho da Brosinho do Ohio nos sentimos falta de você. Where have you been, Brosinho? Good to see you. Yes, guys, I know. Maybe you missed me. I don't understand how Simon speaks Portuguese now. But I understand that you missed me. I was volunteering at STEM Day today. I don't know if you guys were on Twitter or not, but I posted a couple of pictures of some of the stations there. And I was having a blast out at STEM Day this morning, volunteering at the school there. Hey, what's up with Weeble? Only AMC been stuck at 1327 before it closed 4 minutes. Yeah, this 10-minute candle here. So I honestly, I don't know what this 10-minute candle was. I was just getting ready to go live, so I unfortunately didn't see this here. And then everything came through right after. That's a wild... Are other brokers showing it like this? Because there's a million volume on this 1-minute candle right here when it opened back up. So I don't know what was going on with... If it was just Weeble that glitched out there or what the deal is, but yeah. Going from 347 to 357 before that next trade came in. I unfortunately didn't see that because I was getting ready to go live, but I do see that now. I have no idea what that is. Hola, Juana. What is Juana? How you doing today, Juana? I hope you're doing great. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. Juana, the kids had a great day at STEM Day today. And look, one of them even gave me his little blue rock from the fossil station. I like it. So he was learning about fossils and rocks and crystals, and he ended up giving it to me because, hey man, you're my sister's brother, and you're a good guy. I want you to have this. All right, man, I'll take it. I'll take the rock from that kid. Yeah, I will. Good morning to Finland with D. Well, good morning to everybody who's having a morning out there. We have black comments for 5 minutes. Oh, boy. Nick Tico. That's very, very weird, man. They were probably upset. They don't want you spamming, so they were blocked. I don't know what was going on. I think just we... That's extremely weird then, Life of a Nobleman. Something must have been going on there, and I didn't see it. Did it say it was halted? Did it say it was suspended? Or what was on it there? CPI, June 10th. Cardano upgrades this month. Ethereum upgrade August. Shibarium around the corner. And Elon putting Doge on the moon projected for June 28th. Hey, Zachary. Yes, if all of that does come to be, it should be a great month then, man. The only thing that I think could really get in the way of all of that is just overall sentiment, man, and overall market sentiment, because that sounds like an amazing list of catalysts as long as CPI doesn't disappoint. I think CPI could I think CPI could ruin it all, man. If CPI comes in at like 8-9%, yeah, it's gonna be a tough one. Not here, spammer. You guys are fast, man. You guys are fast. I like it. And I don't know what's going on with all of these negative HD names. I don't understand how YouTube even lets people make names like that. But thank you guys for being so quick on the, I don't know, delete button or whatever it is, block button, get out of here button. Thank you guys for keeping the chat clean. I like it, man. A little bit of a recap here. We've got Netflix down just slightly after hours after having a brilliant day today, up 6%. Highcraft Mining down a little after hours after losing about 0.5%. BBIG up about 1% after hours after gaining about 1% during regular trading. The SPY down 0.1%, turning back over 416 after closing at 417. CEI basically break even after hours after closing 2% higher on the day. Mullen Auto up about 1.5%, sitting at $1.25. Sundial 38.62, and it is slightly up 0.25% after hours, 38.71. Bitcoin, Shiba, and Ethereum all up just a little bit on the day. AMC having a nice day today, closing 3.5% higher, sitting about 0.4% higher after hours. Biora Therapeutics 80 cents, sitting at 1.10% higher, 81.21 after hours. GameStop $133.58. And the NASDAQ finishing nice today, closing 2.69% higher. We like that, man. We like gains. We like gains, and we don't care who knows. Yeah, green, candles. We don't care who knows. Just so you know, we are watching you, non-researchers. Nice, SEC. I am glad. You know what? The funny thing is, this dude right here probably is watching people much closer than the actual SEC would be doing. That's the sad part, man. That's the sad part. And, you know, I don't necessarily think that people online need to be watched. I really do think that if you're going to be protecting retail, you know, you should be protecting retail from insider trading. You should be protecting retail from... Manipulation's a tough word, right? But because you can manipulate a stock price by buying and selling it legally, and I don't have a problem if you're going about it legally, but there's a lot of, you know, mainstream media news articles that are intended to sway the price of a stock and things like that. Yeah, dude, I do think that some of those things do need addressed. I don't know if the SEC can handle that while they're out there making, trying to be like Saturday Night Live and make funny skits and sketches and things. So I don't know. Maybe they're all too busy playing around and trying to make YouTube videos themselves. I don't know what the SEC is doing, but good luck to the real SEC. We get paid to look away, not spell. Yeah, there you go, SEC. As long as you're getting paid to do something, right? Have fun doing it. Yeah, bro, a great channel. IPTV channels, man. Thank you, appreciate you. I know, just no movement first. Stuck at 13.24 for a couple minutes and switched to 13.27. Shows price movement, but price still stuck. Dude, I don't want a stuck price. I want to see a moving price. That's what I want to see. And price is sitting pretty slow right now. Non-researchers, bonehead. Yeah, J-Bones. You tell them, man. You tell them. SEC workers can't spell. SEC is illiterate. No. We get paid to spell. We get paid to look away, not spell. Nice, SEC. And that's one reason they can't do their jobs right. Bronson, that is exactly right, man. Clay Bro, how to pull profits from altcoins at Bitcoin at BTC 60,000 bull run, 25% or 50%. If it goes to 80,000 or 100,000, then what? PS5, are you asking a question or are you making a statement? I don't know if he's asking a question or making a statement here. So you're saying, okay, so I think you're making a statement, right? Grab 25% of your profit if Bitcoin runs back up to 60,000. Take 50% of your remaining profit, right? If it goes back up to 80,000 or 100,000. And then what? Yeah, dude, look, if you think you want to take profits, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. But it's going to differ for everybody. If one guy wants to take and stair step it out like that, 25% now, another 50% of the remaining, if it jumps up another 20 to 40 grand, if it keeps moving up, maybe some people wouldn't even want to be exposed to it. They just think if Bitcoin reaches 100,000, it's going to be so stinking risky that they would rather just take all of their profit and wait and see if it comes back down. So it is going to be different for everybody that is out there, and you guys are going to feel comfortable with different things. But yeah, it's not a bad idea at all, PS5. Hey, bro, what is your take on Terrarium? Oh, man, IPTV, I think somebody one time told me to look up Terrarium in here, but I don't really remember it at all. So, unfortunately, I don't have a take on it. We can pull it up if you want, but Mr. Sound, that is true, but not very nice. I'm disappointed in you. Yeah, don't make anybody else disappointed in you. He says it is true, but it's not very nice. Might be true, but it's not very nice, guys. We got to be nice to the SEC guy. I feel overlooked. Mike, you're never overlooked, man. Mike, honestly, I didn't see a comment before. I am scrolling up right now, and I still don't see one. There is a very high possibility that if you did send a comment, YouTube may have held it, man. I don't know if you had emojis in it or if you had some sort of a trigger word. Dude, they sometimes don't even let people say the word subscribe. So it's very weird with what YouTube catches and holds for review. But trust me when I tell you, I am not overlooking anybody on purpose unless your name is like Naked HD Webcam Chats or something. Alright, Claybro, please, just want to know if those people that come under your comment to advertise about making money weekly in crypto, please, what do you have to say about it? Oh, man, Amadou Famara. Those are bots. And if I try my best, dude, to block every single one of them, like completely ban them from making comments on the channel. It does not matter. They show back up. What is AMC doing, man? What? What is this candle? What is this candle? Does the SPY look like that? Yeah, I figured. I figured the SPY was getting a little wild here. My goodness. This is getting a little interesting here. This is like a daily occurrence now. Where you see like a 10+% move in AMC, the SPY. If you guys notice any other, dang man, Prog's up 10%, 7.5% right now. If you guys notice any other stocks like that, no, that's Netflix. If you guys notice any other stocks like that, PBIG do it? No, not today. This is like the fourth or fifth time in the last week that this has happened. That would be an interesting thing to see if you could trade those moves right there. As long as you guys got after hours trading, right? But, man, it's a weird candle we've got here on both the SPY and AMC. Yeah, we'll see what... Prog's not really moving. It's just a tick. I don't know. What are we watching? That's not doing nothing. We'll watch Mullen. See if anything happens to Mullen there. Just a glitch. Nothing to see here. Nothing unusual. Just a 10% glitch to the upside. A nice little 5% glitch to the downside, Mr. Simon. Redbox was killing it. Mike, man. Redbox was killing it. You ignored D, Kinhand. Why? Mellow Mamas. I would never ignore D. I read all of D's questions. You guys know I read all of D's questions, man. Come on. We delete these comments, but they reappear after a never-endless cycle. It is true, man. Don't listen. If anybody on the internet ever asks you, tells you, or tries to entice you to send them money, dude, treat it as, unless you guys want to, send me money. You can send me money. But not me, like on WhatsApp. I'm talking, like, right now. If anybody ever tries to entice you, think about it the same way you would think if a dude pulls up in a rickety old cargo van trying to offer you candy. Do not take it. Do not take it. Those dudes are wild, and they will not give it back. Another Luna one asking you for months. Oh, Mike, no, man, we looked at Luna 1 yesterday. You weren't even in here. We looked at Luna 1 yesterday, dude. You still own Meta. I have 250 million. Just it blows in some years. Oh, yeah, Meta. You're talking about the crypto. Yeah, dude, I do still have my Meta coin. I do still have that. The SEC should give financial advice, actually. There should be a place that just gives you free financial advice. And you guys want some free financial advice from a non-financial advisor? Budget. Be responsible. Live within your means. Do not spend more than you bring in. That's financial advice. I mean, that's solid advice. If you're looking to invest, hey, man, diversify. Look at your own risk appetite. Think about it. But honestly, like financial advice for day-to-day, I don't know if you guys need an actual budget, but budget, man. Don't spend more than you bring in. Don't stress yourself so thin. Don't buy things that you don't need unless you have money that you don't need. And things like that. It's going to really, really help out. It really will. Redbox, anyone? Redbox killing it today. Mike, you in Redbox, man? I was trying to find somebody that's in Redbox. I know this is several days in a row. Yeah, Angie O, me too. See this candle every day. Swartley Daniel, me too, man. I'm just wondering if you could trade it. You know what I mean? Like I don't know what the volume is. They're real. You can make $95,000 a week easily by giving your money to someone else. Might as well give it to me. Yeah, dude, you can give it to me if you want. If you want to make $70,000 a week, just give it to me. I'll make $70,000 a week if you guys all give me $70,000 a week. Carlos, that's easy. Buy high, sell low. We can afford coffee without you. We can't afford coffee without you doing that. Buy high and sell low, man. You're going to be doing good there. Okay, I got it. Holding just in case. Carlos, good deal. What's the deal with Coinbase? I'm not seeing BTC auction at 37,000. Dude, you got me, man. You got me. I know there's no way Bitcoin is sitting at 37,000 right now. Bitcoin's sitting at about 30,300, so I don't know why it would be there. Naked, dude. Naked. If you're an actual human that is just coming in here and trying to type things, just do it a different way, man. Do it a different way. If you're a robot, Naked HD, do not use that name. Change your name and you can stay in here. And just don't spam. Gotta help the robots out too. Crow's an excellent play. Hey, look, I don't mind Crow at all. I think that, honestly, at this point, I do think that VGX has better staking rewards and a possibly better chance of going up than Crow does. But I still like Crypto.com's platform. All I heard was spend more than you bring in. That's financial advice. Pudgy. You heard the exact opposite of what I said, man. I said, don't spend more than you bring in. Oh my gosh. Don't forget the don't at the beginning of that. And if you don't want to don't on it, spend less than you bring in, and you will be good. Oh my gosh, Pudgy, you're messing with me. Hey, I got a dumb question. Antonio, no such thing as a dumb question. Hey, tengo una pregunta. Juana, what's your question? Come on now. Do you like spicy food? Juana, I love spicy food. Yeah. Well, Juana, okay. Now, what's your definition of spicy food? Because, yes, I do like spicy food, but now I feel like you might be making me sweat or something. I feel like you might be making me sweat again. Because, yes, I do like spicy food. I do not mind spicy food at all, but now I need to know. What is it, like a Schofield scale or something? What's the scale we're going on here? Like, how hot is hot? How spicy is spicy? Juana's got me worried now. Juana's like, you little baby, you can't handle that. You can't handle this spice, so I can handle the spice, Juana. Juan, I can handle the spice. I can handle the spice. I can handle the spice, Juana. Juana, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. And a very good question, because it shows that I can handle the spicy food. I was making $2,500 a week before I retired. Nice, Pudgy. Now Pudgy's making like $5,000 a week that he retired. $70,000 a week now that he retired. Hello, Clay and Clay Bros. Beep boop bop bop ba deep boop boop. Yes, Danelle speaking robot. I like it, Danelle. GameStop's still doing well after hours today, guys. GameStop sitting up another 1.04% after closing the day 10.5% higher. So not a bad day at all for GameStop out there. Have you talked about the crime going on? Him Duncan. What kind of crime we talking about, man? We talking about crime in the stock market? Or we talking about a different kind? She gonna make you sweat, all right? Kalani, yeah. No, I don't want to say it, but 1 million. On the Schofield scale. Salsa Verde amigo, let's get it. Salsa Verde amigo. Mike knows what's good. Heard Amber Heard is saying. Space tape. You going after that, man? Clay can handle the heat. Simonino, you know what it is. Clay, bro, is it time? JJ, is it time for what? JJ, is it time for what? Let's see here. Clay, try mixing. What is this? What? Tapatio? Hot sauce with Tabasco Scorpion. I've never had Tabasco Scorpion, man. Estoy loco. Yes, you are, Paul. There's no crimes in the stock market. Trust me, bro. SEC. I believe it, man. I believe it. There's no crimes that ever happen in the market. What up, yo? What's going on, Craig? Bought some more Algorand today, just accumulating good projects all the way down. Hey, Craig, that's an excellent strategy to go along with. If you can keep that up through the bear markets, on the other end, it is going to look amazing for you. Clay is at 134, and they say the price for Friday is 113 for options. Would anything happen? Life of an open man. What do you mean? What's at 134? I don't know what's at 134. But I got to say, Chris, thank you for the super chat. Old people keep walking up. You want to make some money? Heck yeah, I want to make some money. Like, I'm about to take down a whole tree for $20. I'm not that good or care enough to do that. Glad to be here. Not making money with AMC, though. Oh, my gosh. Chris, you want to make some money? I just got this 90-year-old oak tree in my front yard, dude. You just got to take it down and cut it up and haul it away and, make sure to grind the stump up and everything's going to be good. Chris, you want to make some money? I like it, dude. Get old people walking up to him. Hey, you want to make some money? The answer's always yes, Chris. The answer's always yes. Don't ever answer no to that because it could lead to some very interesting things. JJ says... Oh, I know what JJ says. JJ says, it's time to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ, thank you very much for the diamond. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there right now? I know you gotta be, man. I know you got it. JJ, thank you very much for the super sticker. SEC. Oh, no. Nobody likes the SEC. Boo. Boo. Not here. Bots, man. Simonino coming in fast on these bots. I love it. Hey, bro, ask the Magic 8 Ball if Juana is Lauren. Interesting. Hey, Magic 8 Ball, is Juana Lauren? My sources say no. My sources say... Well, that's sideways now. Whatever. You guys can read it, maybe. My sources say no. Well, dude, the Magic 8 Ball knows. Juana is not Lauren. Any word on Voyager for Jameson, man? Not yet, dude. I have no idea what these guys are doing. I'm going to be honest. They at least need to give us some type of a word out there. Just a we hear you, and we still don't have Luna figured out. They need to give us something. Why retail sell now with long-term capital gains in the bag, holding AMC until short? Yeah, Carlos. Why would they sell now? They probably wouldn't, unless they needed to eat and they didn't have any money to eat. Like I don't understand why they would sell now. AMC Trapper, if you did any research, you would know we can't help nor care of your opinion of us. We are rich by we get rich by looking the other way. Oh gosh, I love how SEC comes in here looking to troll. He's getting trolled and he's okay with it. He's just coming back. SEC, man, that's the way to do it. Have some fun, dude. Have some fun. Chris, you're overcharging for tree work. Just saying. Yeah, Paul's like, shoot, man, I'd do that for $10. I'd cut down that 90-year-old oak tree for $10. Yeah, Paul. Chris is overcharging for $20. I know he is, man. I was gonna offer him $10 to do mine. So, Paul, if you want to cut down my tree for $10, you can do it. When you just stopped showing us, you ran off to yeah, yep, exactly. An outdoor smile, at least you're going to know, dude. At least you're going to know. When I just stop showing up, at least you know that I'm going to be in good hands. Just know that. SEC, darn right, yes, he is. Should I find him 342 to stop him? No, don't find me anything. You find Trapper. Don't find me. You can find Trapper. Don't find me, SEC. Hold on, my Redbox holdings, 172 shares at a 720 average. Nice, Mike. Good deal, man. Did you get it today? Because I know it hit it today. I think it's a little bit below 720 right now, but man, it has been wild lately and had a nice run up today to put you back in the green for a little while before it fell back down. But Redbox closing at 663, sitting at 670 after hours, but rolling higher, man. Redbox is a pretty interesting stock with this massive volatility lately. Dude, I wouldn't mind at all. If it does for some reason, don't back down. I am not going to be afraid to add into Redbox there. That is one that I have on my watch list ready to go if for some reason it does drop. I don't want to get it in the $7 range right now because it is pretty volatile up there, but it's definitely a mover, man, that I wouldn't be afraid of adding at all. Totally worth the laugh, though, Danelle. Paul, yabba-dabba-doo! Oh, my gosh. What are we going with? The Flintstones here? Ask the ape ball, not the 8 ball. Will Bitcoin get good weekly candle run-up? PS5. Will Bitcoin get a good weekly candle run-up? Let's see. Most likely is the answer on that one. Will Bitcoin... It's way too hard to see. You guys just got to trust me on it. It said most likely. All right, there you go, man. There you go. Hey, bro, now all in Zcash and Shib. Dude, wouldn't that be sweet if I went all in on Zcash? Dude, if I went all in on Zcash and had a massive run, which probably isn't even possible, that would be sick. Been playing it 2 weeks. Mike, very nice, man. Very nice. Playing it 2 weeks there. Were you get a profit target somewhere? $10 range? Or what are you looking at for your exit on that? Or do you think it can actually go back up into the 20s? You holding back up to the upper 20s there. So what's the forecast and thoughts on Ethereum? Look, Jameson Sardinha, where are you from, man? Dude's got like a Brazilian name over here. Bullish on Ethereum, the longer term. Everything is depending on Bitcoin right now, and Bitcoin is just trying to tread water and stay above that $30,000 mark. So I'm watching that very closely. But, you know, long term, dude, I really do like Ethereum. I'm bullish on it long term. Short term, hey, man, honestly, at this point, with Bitcoin almost struggling to get back above 30,000, I don't necessarily want to say I'm bearish, but I'm neutral, leaning towards bearish. So I would keep an eye on it. Get that Zcash, Sam. Get that Zcash. Yes. Which was Chris Walker. I don't even know what you guys got. Sorry I'm late. Hello, you spectacular people. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Frodo is an amazing day in the neighborhood. Juana, did you ever say if you were going to make some spicy food or it's good that I can handle the heat? Like, what was the determination on that there? Did I answer correctly or no? Love your videos about Luna, brah. Keep it up. It's Shibanutia official. Wow, Shibanutia official. I will keep it up. Thank you for watching. Appreciate the positive feedback there. Get good. Outdoor smile. That is the plan, man. Yeah, that next person that asked me, I'm saying a stupid amount. Do it, Chris. Do it. hey, man, say a stupid amount. Like, say a stupid high amount. And then if they're like, okay, some people are willing to just pay whatever somebody is willing to charge, dude. Some people don't even care. So, just say a stupid amount, man. Brazil, brother. Living in Kansas. Eu sabia, Jameson. I knew it was a Brazilian name. Porque você tá morando no Kansas. I missed Pika when the I don't know, man. I miss Pika power too. Where is Pika? Getting small, then average cost in. Redbox has Ortex numbers like GME before January 20th. Really? Melamamas. Okay, that's pretty interesting there. I didn't even know that it had short squeeze numbers. I've been rinsing and repeating on Redbox. Mike, man, very nice. He's playing the trade game. Danelle, tell her to come back. We miss her. We do miss Pika. We miss Pika a lot. Psh, what's the caliber and height? $2,500 for a 100-foot tree. I'm an arborist that can climb line clearance certified, aerial rescue certified, and CPR. Dang, dude, $2,500 for a 100-foot tree. I feel like a 100-foot tree is a big tree, isn't it? It's a normal tree. 100 foot seems tall to me, but maybe trees are 100 foot. What's one a salsa recipe? I do not know. Juana, what's your salsa? I ask because Mexicans always cook spicy food. Juana, well, the answer is, it's probably my favorite. What is it? Genre of food? I don't even know. But yes, Juana, I love it. I love it. Yeah, I'm not even just saying that because I know you're Mexican. I'm saying that because I actually do love it. JJ, thank you for the member chat. This was for JJ, man. JJ says, Clay, Trapper's in here, man. I know it's a member chat, but just for you, a little lick and stick. Look at a Trapper, but I'm thinking about you, JJ. Oh, JJ, thank you very much for the super sticker. Paul Right Lawns. Hi, Clay. My wife Sandy is 50 years young today. Can you give her a shout out? Thank you, Paul. Absolutely. Guys, everybody in the chat right now needs to say happy birthday to Sandy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sandy. Happy birthday to you. 50 years young. Sandy, that is amazing. Paul is an awesome dude, so but you're just awesome by association. It's gotta be. Sandy, shout out to you. Have a wonderful birthday today. And I'm pretty sure Paul said he was taking you out for ice cream, so you better hold him to it. That's what he was telling me. He was like, look, man, Clay bro, don't spoil the fun. Don't tell her. But guess what, man? It's my show. I'm going to tell you whatever I want to tell you. He said he was taking you out for ice cream tonight. I forget where he said. He said it was pretty close to your house. I forget what he said the place was. But he did say that he was going to take you out for some ice cream tonight. So hold him to it, Sandy. Make sure that Paul takes you out for ice cream, for real. Happy birthday, Sandy. Yes, happy birthday, PWL Sandy. I like it. It's going to watch Obi-Wan Kenobi with my wife getting ready for the possible hurricane. There's a hurricane coming, Shredda. Be careful, man. Feliz aniversario. Yes, Jameson. How's it go, man? Parabéns pra você, nesta data querida, muitas felicidades, muitos anos da vida. Yeah, did I get it right, Jameson? Did I get it right, dude? Happy birthday, Sandy. Your birthday, Sandra. Yes, happy birthday, Sandy. Gemini gang, boom, with Geminis are the best, man. Happy birthday. Sim number 2, wonder why. Oh my gosh, what did the SEC say? Craig, we are simple. Oh god, dude. That's what SEC stood for. I never knew. Max Payne for GME is 111. Would anything happen if it closes at 130? Hey, Life of a Nobleman. I don't know what's necessarily going to happen. There probably is just going to be more options expiring in the money than were anticipated. And Max Payne simply means that's, where people expect it to end at the end of the week. So I would imagine a lot of those positions are probably already hedged for and so on. So I wouldn't get terribly excited, but, it could always lead to some sort of a gamma squeeze. If not, just a couple dollars, right? If those positions are not hedged for, and they do have to go out and buy them to cover those shares. Gracias, Jameson. Yes, muito obrigado, Jameson. What hurricane, Shredda? Is there swell coming from massive boogie boarding? Outdoor Smiles about to get on. How did you learn Portuguese? Amanda Irala de Lima. How did I learn Portuguese? Well, when you want to speak a language, you just learn it, right? And then you go back, you talk to people, and then you learn it, and you're good to go. Listen, the best reason to learn a language is when you want to talk to somebody. Simple as that. Have a great weekend. People talk to you Monday, give or take. Shredder, have a great weekend as well. You're allowed to come back tomorrow because today is Thursday, and I will be here tomorrow. If you do not want to come back tomorrow, come on back on Monday, man. We will be here. Tomorrow's a Friday, right? I mean, it is. Gemini gang, let's go. Yes, guys, Geminis are the best. Boa certinho, aprendeu aonde? Online, na verdade. Eu aprendi a falar português online. Obi-Wan Kenobi loves Mexican food. Gregory, nice, man. And so does Clay. Max Payne is a video game, and I think it's a very good one too. I've never played it though. Shut up, bye. Hope Grandma's doing well. Thanks. Oh, thanks, people. Always act like Max Payne will make it, Gamma. Life. It's only a possibility, man. It's only a possibility. Roulette wheel is a game. Life of a nobleman. Nice. As to your question earlier, I moved here 2011 to fight professionally. Dang, man. Jameson, how's it going for you? Is it going pretty well? 2011. Dude, are you 11 years in, or are you done now? I mean, fighting doesn't seem like it's something that lasts forever. So if you moved here in 2011 to fight professionally, is it over now? Because I feel like 11-year career would probably be a pretty long time. Any expensive dating sites? What do you mean, expensive dating sites? Greets from Shib and Bone, holding Germany. A good guy. Slim Jim, holding from Germany. Very good deal, man. Você fala muito bem português. Congrats. Amanda, você brasileira? Oh, no. Thank you. Muito obrigado, Amanda. Thank you for saying I speak good Portuguese. Eu sei que meu português não é muito bom, mas muito obrigado. You beat me, Outdoor. I missed what Outdoor said. Darn it, it's not a hyperlink. Sam, don't click it, don't click it, don't click it. Okay, thank you, JJ. Congrats. Something I am missing so much. I know I am. I know I'm missing. I'm from Florida. Simon, pew pew. I'm done. Just coaching, and now I'm an electrician. Nice. Hey, Jameson, very good, man. Very good. I figured, I wasn't trying to mean anything by that. I didn't think a career in fighting would last over 11 years or anything like that. So hopefully you did pretty good. You never got hurt. You had a lot of fun, and you're doing well now, man. Edward De Soto. Where are you flying to, Edward? Gregory Patrick Smith. Obi-Wan Kenobi likes Mexican food in AMC and Carol Baskin. Carol Baskin. Who are you? Who are you? Oh, why'd you kill your husband? Why'd you kill your husband? That's not cool. That's not cool. We love Shiba. Amanda. Yeah, I do like Shiba a lot as well. So, you saying like Brazil loves Shiba? Are you in Brazil? Or are you from somewhere, like you live in somewhere else, Amanda? Or is it you and Jameson? But I don't know what's going on here. Just weird to have two people speaking Portuguese at the same time. It's not Mr. Simon just messing with my head. California has better Mexican food than Mexico. Life of a nobleman. Hard to believe, dude. Hard to believe, but hey, I'm sure there's a lot of Mexican people that cook very well in California. Click that likey button, subscribe, and become a bro. Listen to Dano, please, guys. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to the channel, become a bro. Enjoy every single day here with us. Muhammad Clay, what's going on, man? Glad to have you. What's a Carol Baskin, and why did they kill someone's husband? Kalani, that's the question, man, and you gotta ask because that's not cool. I live in Florida. Very nice, Amanda. Tampa, Florida. I believe we got another Tampa, Florida in here right now, huh? Amanda from Tampa, Florida. Very good. Mas você é brasileira? Ou não? Ele só fala português. Amanda's good people. Yes, Outdoor Smile. Amanda would be good people. We have them here in Mexico. No lie. Oh, here we have them here. Yeah. Life of a nobleman. Figure, man. For Trapper. Sam Demand trying to get AMC Trapper sweating over there. I don't know what's going to happen. Amanda, you teach me Portuguese? Yes, please teach Mr. Simoninho Portuguese. So, regarding a video you made about Europe helping crypto in general, how will that drive? Hey, Jameson, it could actually drive Shiba Inu coin the exact same way that I was kind of referencing for... I was leaning more towards Lunaterra this morning. That's actually an excellent question. Now, it is a long shot, okay? I do want to mention that. I believe I mentioned it in the video. Sim, sou brasileiro, moro na Florida. Nice. É muito legal, Amanda. E quantos anos você mora na Florida? So talking about that catalyst, right? The European Union regulators said that some investors are already moving their assets into crypto because they believe that that is the best hedge against inflation. Now, this goes against a lot of what we've been saying recently about with high interest rates. People are flocking to safer assets like bonds and so on. Because instead of making 10% in the stock market, which the stock market is getting beat to death right now, you're losing money in the stock market. They're moving to bonds where they can make 3, 4, 5, 6% instead of 7, 8, 9, 10% in the stock market. So the theory is that people move to safer assets during periods of high inflation and high interest rates. Well, inflation is getting so high here in the U.S., but it's already getting ridiculously high in places like Turkey and Argentina, that the only chance these people have of making a profit is if they invest in some ridiculously risky assets like Shiba Inu coin, like, Lunaterra, and like cryptocurrency in general. They need the volatility to make up some crazy gains just to outpace inflation. Because think about it. If you guys make any less than 8% on your money on an annualized basis right now, you're losing money. Inflation is eating everybody's dollar. And if you live in Argentina, the inflation rate, I believe, was 51.5 or 52%. That is wild, man. That is wild. Hungry Caveman, hello to you. How's the weather in Tampa, Florida? Tampa, Florida's weather's got to be better than here. It is 63 degrees and mostly cloudy right now here in Ohio. What's good for the goose is good for the gander. Sean, man, good deal. Life of an open man, you've never had a Cabeza Street Tacos in Mexico. I have also never had that. I can tell you that right now. Good. I like it, Amanda. Me too, man. Me too. I think I might have missed something, but I like it too. Vim morar na Florida, the boys quer dizer há 2 anos. Nice, Amanda. Onde você mora? Eu moro no Ohio, Amanda. Eu moro no Ohio. I seriously doubt there's anything worth a crap to be found in California. Hey, Pudgy, I will tell you this, okay? I've been to California one time in my life. Beautiful. Listen, I went to Carlsbad and like Hollywood. Just because you got to see Hollywood, right? Dude, Carlsbad area is beautiful. You got the mountains, you've got the beach and all of that. But at the same time, it was a nice vacation. The weather was beautiful. But, man, I'll tell you right now, just the cost of living, I personally wouldn't think it was worth it to have a tiny little $1 million house. And the traffic was atrocious as well. I don't know, guys. I don't know. California, beautiful scenery, beautiful landscape, but it is very expensive. And I think that is kind of a detriment. I mean, my gosh, dude, I can deal with 63 degrees and cloudy today because I know tomorrow is probably going to be 75 and sunny. Hey, bro, can you see Bitcoin bull run earlier than October? You technically not. Hey, yeah, PS5 gaming in the future, man. I could see Bitcoin going on a bull run as early as tomorrow if we see some changes in market sentiment, right? We need to see something happening with inflation and interest rates, something happening with Russia, something happening with China and this nonsense between like China and Taiwan, and China and lockdowns causing supply chain issues and stuff. Maybe we even just need someone to take responsibility for things falling out of control instead of trying to blame everybody else and realize nobody cares whose fault it is. Everybody just wants it fixed. So, just stop with that, man. Just stop. It's like, who spilled the milk? Well, it doesn't matter who spilled the milk, man. Just clean the milk up. Everybody's going to be fine when the milk is cleaned up. So, there's a lot of problems going on right now that need cleaned up. And instead of anybody cleaning it up, everybody's saying, well, he spilled it, man. No, he spilled it. No, she spilled it. No, they spilled it. Like, it's a little ridiculous. So I think we need to see that stuff. And hey, if it happens tomorrow, if we start cleaning that milk up tomorrow, then we're going to be doing pretty good. And we could start that bull run as early as tomorrow. That's not necessarily a technical analysis. That's more of a fundamental analysis and seeing things change that we need to see changed. But I believe that's what's driving the prices down. We're already at a major level of support. We have not fallen through this $30,000 level, so we could easily bounce right off of it. So Clay, that inflation playing alongside the political volatility makes it very... Jameson, 100%, man. 100%. Wild inflation like that on top of everything that's going on, not only here in the U.S., dude, but with all of these other countries that are, going to war with each other and causing all of this nonsense and all of these lockdowns. And I honestly wouldn't be surprised. I'm probably not even allowed to say, that new sickness that starts with a M, like MP, the double word there. I'm sure YouTube's probably blocking people for that already. But if they just try to scare people all day long, it's still going to be bad for the market. And it's still going to lead to increased volatility, and it's going to lead to further decreases in prices. If they just stop with it, man, if they just stop with it and make things okay, we're going to be good. Politicians mess up California. It makes me mad. Yeah, Mr. Simon, the only thing that I can see with that is just what I see on TV, which is nothing because I don't watch TV. But, reading articles online and things like that. Like I say, dude, I was in California one time in my life. Beautiful place. Seemed awesome. But, man, yeah, I don't know how you guys do it. I honestly don't know how you guys do it. I was just referencing the house price. You're talking $8 a gallon of gasoline right now as well. I'm sure everything else you guys do out there is more expensive too. Now, I'm sure you guys get paid more than the average salary here in Ohio as well. But it's got to be tough out there, dude. It's got to be tough. The bot again. This bot does not learn, man. Hey, bot, go tell your friends not to come in here with that name. Do you believe Shiba can hit a penny? Amanda, yeah, I believe that Shiba Inu coin can hit a penny, but I do believe a lot of things need to change before it gets there. And one of them, so one of two things, really one of three things, but I'm not even considering the dollar like death spiraling out of control. So let's just assume that one's not going to happen and the dollar is at least going to maintain a value. So one of the other two things that needs to happen, it can be a combination of both, is that a drastic amount of the supply has to be burnt. Why? Because if it goes to a penny right now, you're still sitting on a $6 trillion valuation. Although it is possible, it's not going to happen unless the overall crypto market grows drastically. Now, I can definitely see the overall crypto market being worth $50 to $100 trillion decades down the road. Decades, maybe 10 years, maybe 20 years down the road. The entire crypto market could 50 to 100x from where the prices we're seeing right now. Then, yes, Shiba Inu coin could have a $6 trillion valuation if everything keeps up, if the community's still there, if projects are continuing to grow, and things like that. So we either need a massive overall crypto market cap, which is the entire valuation if you added the worth of all of the coins together. Either that needs to happen or we need to burn a drastic amount, like 99% of the supply. Because if we burn 90%, you got a $600 billion valuation. You burn 99% of the supply, you're sitting on a $60 billion valuation at a penny. And honestly, we were already close to a $60 billion valuation. So it is a definite possibility if we burn 99%. Much more probable longer term if we burn 90%. And if we don't burn any, I think we might need to wait a really long time, but it is still possible. Pay $1,600 mortgage for my house. Life of a noble man. Heck yeah, I don't eat brains. I had some pig eyelid, brains, etc. Let's go. Nastiest thing in the world, and I only tried it because I bought the whole pig for $80. Niraj Patel, $1 a myth. I'm going to be honest with you, dude. $1 is most likely a myth. Let me tell you why. Now, and I say most likely because that's getting probabilities involved. And if I had to bet, just blind bet, I would say yes, it is not possible. It is a myth. But if somehow we do burn 99% of the tokens, right, and we go to $1, we've still got that $6 trillion valuation. And with that $6 trillion valuation, I just got done saying it is possible if the overall crypto market, just explodes in growth and explodes in value. If the overall crypto market's worth $100 million one day, yeah, Shiba Inu coin can still have that $6 trillion valuation, but you have to look at, how many coins are there. It's not going to have a $600 trillion valuation. That's not possible. That would be more than I think the world is worth right now. The entire stock market in the U.S., every company added together, is like $40 trillion. So to think that Shiba Inu coin would be $600 trillion, that's a stretch, man. That's a stretch. Curious to know what other people you look as far as their insights as well. Jameson, so look, I don't do a ton of like watching on YouTube at this point. I have in the past, right? Guys that I like in the way they do their videos. I like Meet Kevin. I like his style. I like Andre Jick, and I like Graham Stephan. Now that doesn't mean that I agree with everything they say either. Okay, let me put that very clear out there. And I am completely fine if you guys don't agree with everything I say, right? I like their style. I like the way they present their videos and their information. But I think it is absolutely healthy if you can watch somebody's, I guess, delivery. You can watch what they come up with, get their perspective, and then based on what you know, make a determination for yourself. So, and that's just a few guys. If you're in the AMC community, I really like TMI, the masked investor who is no longer masked. Short to VIX, smart kid, man, and he's pretty young as well. So there's a lot of people out there, but I'm going to tell you, dude, doing 2 live streams a day and 3 videos a day, and I'm starting to try and do videos on TikTok as well. It's a lot of content. It's basically all reading and then filming. I mean, it is a lot. So the best thing I can say about watching content, even if you guys watch mine, right? If I made that video earlier this morning about a potential major catalyst for Lunaterra and crypto with the inflation thing, it is completely fine and probably good if you guys don't think that is going to happen. Because like I say, it's a long shot, man. People moving their money from safe assets during high inflation to even riskier assets just to outpace it. The concept is there, but we've really yet to see like mass adoption of that strategy. They are starting it in places like Turkey. I've read articles there in places like Argentina. I believe he did mention that in the article that I was reading this morning. But that's the best thing you can do when you're watching somebody else's content, man. I wouldn't even blindly trust me, right? I want you guys to be able to make up your own minds. If I say something and you disagree with it, perfect, man, perfect. There's nothing wrong with saying, well, dude, I don't agree because of this. One of the best things that can do is if you do disagree, you're going to figure out very quick, right? I'm never going to be mean about it or anything. But I will say, well, why, man? Why do you disagree? And then you're going to learn quick, man. If you can't tell me why you disagree, maybe it just doesn't sound good to you. Maybe you just don't like the way that I presented or something, but it doesn't necessarily mean you disagree. Or you could absolutely back it up, and it's going to make your confidence in your own opinion even stronger. So watch as many guys as you can and get as many different perspectives as you can, and you don't have to just agree or disagree with one guy or another. Oh, did you watch Graham Stephan versus Mike Reeves? It was funny. It is on YouTube. So I didn't watch the whole fight. I watched the highlights of the fight and then their commentary on the fight. Yes, man. I did watch that. Look, I don't know. I mean, if anybody ever invited me to do anything like that, I would probably just I would train the same way I would do anything else, right? Watch, if you're on YouTube all day, watch a couple YouTube videos on how to box, how to train for a boxing match, and then I would go about it that way. So I did think that was fun, though. I'm glad they had a good time doing it. But guys, it is after 5 o'clock. My goodness. Let's do some shout outs, and then we're going to be back with videos at 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. So in 2 hours and in 3 hours, we'll have the videos out there. And so let's do these shout outs, and we'll be back in a couple of hours with those video guys. Thank you very much for being in here and having a wonderful day. Juana knows my absolute favorite flavor. Juana, thank you for the strawberry ice cream. I really, really appreciate that strawberry ice cream right there. Juana, thank you very much. Juana, thank you for everything. Like, seriously, thank you for everything. Juana, I hope you're having an amazing day today, and you continue to have a wonderful evening. On top of that, AMC Trapper, peace out to the diamond-handed apes and the Shiba army. Juana. Juana, thank you for the hearts as well. Juana, guys, everybody shout out to Juana on the way out as well. Juana is incredible. Really appreciate all of the super stickers and the super chats today. Let's do these shout outs, and then we'll be back with the videos this evening. AMC Trapper, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. We got Mr. Simon Outdoor Smile. I don't know if Crypto Rocketeer's in here, but boom, baby, dabbing on him as always. Amanda, boa noite, boa tarde, boa noite, Amanda. Enjoy your evening, Mellow Mamas. Outdoor Smile, Hemi Life, Mike, Eric, see you later. Life of an Oberman, Frodo, Danelle, Paul, SD, later to you, Dustin, Inan, Azule, man, Inan Azule, tough name, but take care as well. She wanted to see, Nate, listen, if whatever she wanted to see, I will, never mind. Craig, see you later. Axelrod, enjoy your evening. Pudgy, Space Ape, I'm cool. Paul Wright, Amanda, thank you as well for being in here. AMC Trapper, see you later. Raul Vlogs, see you later. JJ, stay hard as well, my friend. Outdoor Smile, enjoy your evening. Modern Charm, adios to you. Keep going with videos. Amanda, I will. Thank you very much for watching the videos. We love it. Really appreciate you, Amanda. Inan, dude, I'm telling you, Inan, you got a tough name, man. You got a tough name. Sorry about that. I'm trying my best. Hey, well, Frodo, not with everybody. You made me blush. Not with everybody else in here. Master, enjoy your evening. Tim, see you later. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.